Hello and welcome. Are you in search for the best air fryer? So be with the video. In this video, we are going to review the top 5 best air fryers that you can buy for your home. So let's begin, and before starting the video, welcome to Reviews Outlook. Do subscribe now and click the bell notification to receive updates of our latest videos. So let's begin and find out the number 1 in the list of best air fryers. So this is from Phillips and it's a digital air fryer. The model number is 9230. So this one looks like this, and before proceeding forward, let me tell you, if you want to see the product and buy it, you can click on the best price buy link given in the description of this video. So let's go ahead and do a review of this Philips digital air fryer. So the patented rapid air heat circulation technology present in this air fryer along with the top heat grill results in faster and more even cooking and browning. The digital control panel allows the user to select the cooking time up to 60 minutes. The temperature may also be chosen from a range of 180 to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. The digital control permits precise cooking times and temperature for improved results. An extra large 1.8 pound capacity frying basket cooks quantities sufficient for average family sizes. A double layer rack is also included for increased cooking surface as well, which helps you, and the components are also constructed of stainless steel, which is very easy to clean up as well. So this was the first one in the list of best air fryers and it was from Philips. You can go ahead and look this one. So let's move to the second one in the list of best air fryers and find out which one it is. So second one is from Avalon Bay Air Fryer. So this one looks like this, and let's go ahead and do a review of this particular product. So the Avalon Bay Air Fryer uses rapid air circulation technology, which helps in grills, roast and bakes in addition to air frying. The technology forces heated air around the food rather than oil. The dial controls also allows the user to adjust time and temperature. An audible alarm sounds is also available to let the user know when the dinner or lunch is ready. The detachable mesh metal baskets helps to transfer food, so thereby you can easily serve it in the dishes. The components are dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup very simple as well. The non-slip fit stabilizes this air fryer and increases safety from fall protection. A 52-page Avalon Bay cookbook is also included with the unit, which helps you to know the various delicious recipes that you can start cooking with this particular fryer. So this was the second one in the list. Let's move ahead and find out the third one in the list of best air fryers and find out which one it is. So this is from Black & Decker Purified 2-liter air fryer. So this one looks like this, and let's go ahead and review this particular product. So one of the most fascinating part of this particular machine is the way that it can separate out the inner tray into two sections so that you can cook batches of different items without worrying about the flavor mixing. This can be really great for someone who is making a small meal for themselves or only for one other person. The dual convection fans comes with a powerful dual fan convection system to circulate hot air around food for fast and crispy results. The 2-liter about 8-cup air frying baskets fits up to 2 to 4 servings of your favorite snacks and main dishes. The non-stick cooking surface releases food without the need of cooking spray, plus the air fryer baskets and the basket separator are also dishwasher safe. The controls are relatively simple, that means that you don't need to know too much in order to program this machine or to do what you want. So let's move ahead and find out the fourth one in the list of best air fryers. So the number 4 comes from Fman Quad Air Fryer. So this one looks like this, and let's go ahead and do a review of this particular air fryer. So this air fryer makes healthy fried foods a reality, and the temperature range from about 175 to 400 degree Fahrenheit allows you to cook at your desired temperature, thereby achieving a healthy, crispy fried finish using at least 80% less oil than other traditional fryers. You can fry vegetables, pizza, frozen foods, leftovers, and this air fryer evenly crisps every inch of your food as well. The 6.5-liter capacity and the flat basket increases the space by 40%, so you can make delicious, crispy, and healthy food for the whole family. You can achieve perfectly crisp results for a wide variety of food with little or even no oil. The digital temperature control and 60-minute integrated timer easily let you air fry everything from frozen veggies to mozzarella sticks or even chicken or fries, or even you can reheat your yesterday's desserts as well. It's a 6.5-liter non-stick basket and it's completely dishwasher safe, making cleanup very easy. So let's move ahead to the last and the fifth one in the list of the best air fryers and find out which one it is. So this is from Phillips. It is a Starfish technology air fryer. So let's go ahead and do a review of this particular air fryer. So the rapid air circulation technology is also used here and it surrounds the food, cooking it very quickly and more evenly. The frozen products such as fries cook especially well in this particular air fryer. The integrated dials comprise of the control panel of this air fryer, and the timer dial can be set up to typically 30 minutes. For active households, a ready signal indicates when the food is cooked and an automatic shut off when the timer reaches 0, preventing burnt dinners. The removable 1.8 pound capacity non-stick cooking basket realistically prepares servings for 2 to 3 people. The non-stick basket coating of this fryer and its dishwasher friendly parts is very easy for cleanup as well. A cool to touch handle and a non-slip fit increases the safety of this air fryer, and the convenient hot storage beneath the unit makes the storage tidy. So this was the fifth one in the list. So these were the top 5 best air fryers that you can buy. The best price buy link of each one of them is given in the description below. You can go there and check them out and buy your favorite one. So if you have any other doubts related to this video, you can comment down below. So let's close the video here and see you in the next ones. If you love watching this video, don't forget to like and share this video.